You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss a video from me. So yes, I hit 1,000 subscribers and I am super excited. It's all because of you guys. To celebrate my 1,000 subscribers, I have decided to go down memory lane and talk a little bit about how I got 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naima Altador and today we are doing a Burlington and a Oshkosh haul. Now, Burlington and Oshkosh haul was my very first video I've ever posted on YouTube. I thought it was a fun video to do. I mean, we live in Florida where it's mostly hot all the time. I was super excited to get away, getting the kids in the snow. So we went to Burlington to get affordable winter gear, and it was around winter time. So I thought, why not just do a Burlington and Oshkosh haul and show you guys what I got for our trip. And you know, friends and family did support this video. Now moving on to video number 2, mommy of 2 vlogs. Now I love watching vlogs. I don't know about you, but I love watching vlogs. I knew vlogs was something I wanted to implement in my channel at some point. So it did a little better than the Burlington haul. So now moving on to my third video, which is the Clean With Me nursery. Let me let you guys into, if you guys hear that, that's just my son in the background. You guys know I have kids, so it's like no problem, right? So the Clean With Me nursery is my third video. Let me let you guys into a little secret. That was my very first video I've ever recorded for YouTube. However, I just didn't post it. I posted the haul and then the mommy of me too, and I held on to the Clean With Me nursery. I don't know why, but I guess it worked out for me because it did better than the first 2 videos, so it worked out for me. New After Dark Clean With Me is my very first whole house Clean With Me video I posted. It did okay, and then it fizzled out for some reason. It took off a week after I posted it, and that's when I realized the whole house cleaning videos is what you guys really want to see. I was super excited about this one because, I mean, who does not love candles? Exactly. I love candles. I mean, who does not love candles and love their home to smell like super good, right? So I did this candle haul video. However, it did not do that good. It also fizzled out. I will be doing a swimsuit haul pretty soon. I am going on a trip, so make sure to watch that video when it comes out because I want you guys to help me pick out swimsuits to wear on my trip. Although at this point I kind of figured you guys like the whole house clean with me, I don't want you guys to get bored of only seeing just whole house clean with me, so I did this bathroom edition. Someone did comment about the editing that I wasn't showing a lot. As you guys know, I am still learning. However, it did better than all the other videos. You guys seem to really enjoy watching the whole house clean with me videos, and I enjoy making them. The whole house was a total mess, so it was a perfect opportunity to get it clean. On top of that, record it for you guys. Just as I thought, it did a lot better than the other videos. That is how I got the subscribers. I noticed that my views go up and my subscribers go up and my watch time goes up. I hear you guys, I read the comments, and yes, I have 2 kids and they are going to give me a lot to clean, so I definitely am going to continue doing the whole house clean with me videos along with other videos as well. I did experiment using a new camera in this video, although I was super nervous because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. Although I was super nervous about the quality, but it did good since it did better than the other videos, so I guess it turned out fine anyways. So after I was done editing the video, it was 1 hour long. I didn't want to leave it an hour, so I decided to split it into 2 parts. If you guys like 2 parts videos, let me know so I can continue doing more. So let me know below. Now fast forward to today. I noticed that cleaning videos is what you guys truly want to see. I mean, that's what has been doing best on my channel anyways. So I am definitely going to continue to do that. And my toddler and my baby, they give me plenty to clean. So you hear a lot about YouTubers saying consistency is key. I definitely would have to agree with that because, I mean, if you think about it, the more videos you put out, the more views you get, the more subscribers you get. So the more your channel has, the more potential your channel has technically. So I mean, it's a no-brainer. Videos, subscribers, views, potential, growth, period, right? I still have vlogs coming out, so look out for that. And also this is a lifestyle channel. I want to evolve, I want to grow. I definitely am interested in doing different type of videos, and cleaning is my life, so I am still going to be pumping the cleaning videos for you guys. And also I would love to know what you guys think and what you guys want to see. Just give me feedback. I would love the feedbacks, and I would like to know what you guys want to see. I gave myself a year to experiment. 1 year I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be on YouTube, I'm gonna start this journey of mine, and within the first year it's gonna be my experiment year. So I didn't think too much about it. Well, yes and no, but the reason why I said I didn't think too much about it, because it's my experiment year. So it's my year to learn. It's my year to, okay, that didn't work out, let me try this. So if this didn't work out, how about this? Or you know what, let me research more, let me talk to people more, the more you guys comment, the more I have a feel of what you guys want to see or don't want to see or whatnot. Because when you guys comment saying, oh, this was very motivating, that just tells me that you guys like it. So of course I would do more. And besides, I always need to clean. Like, this place always needs to clean. I would clean it today, and tomorrow it's a huge mess. And my son never disappoints, so he is going to continue to make sure he remain being his little toddler self. And so mommy can have a lot of videos to put out for you guys, a lot of cleaning videos, because he keeps me busy. I am new at this whole entire thing. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, and editing I'm new at, so I'm still learning, and I still am learning how to position the camera and to film better, because I want everything to be efficient, you know, like boom boom boom, done, edit, go, next. You know, I don't want it to take me a long time to pretty much get everything done, which in the beginning it was, because it's like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Now I have managed to, if you hear that, that's them in the background. You hear that? Go with auntie, go with auntie. What was I saying before he came? Yeah, so I gave myself a year to experiment, and I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna be on this for a year, let me experiment. And recently I have started to position the camera a lot better, so that way I can be more efficient when it comes to filming, because in the beginning I used to have a lot of clips I had to go through. Just, you know, like watching a ton of clips it's a process within itself. And now I'm like, okay, I know exactly how to position the camera. If I'm not using it, if it's not in use, turn it off, because it's gonna continue rolling, it's playing. So instead of me having to sit there and watch, you know, a blank clip and waiting for something to pop on the clip, I just turn it off. And that has helped with the filming timing. So I'm getting a little better at editing, so I still have to get better at that, obviously. And yeah, so basically filming, editing, knowing what your viewers want to see is definitely the thing. And for me, what worked is, or what's working is, my whole house clean with me. People seem to like that, and maybe because people like to see other people's homes. I am definitely guilty of that, because we are in the process of renovating, or we're talking about renovating. So I like to see other people's home for ideas, decor, and I believe other people are like that. So I like to see other people's homes, and I can understand maybe that's probably why. That's pretty much what has been doing good on my channel, is the whole house cleaning, because people, it's not just seeing a room, but they see the whole thing. That is what got me 1,000 subscribers to begin with. So I had no idea I would hit 1,000 this soon. I gave myself a year to hit 1,000, a year to play with this whole YouTube thing. When I say play with this whole YouTube thing, it's a year to experiment. The fact that I hit 1,000 before the whole year, before that year, it's awesome. And it's because of you guys that is subscribing, watching, commenting, liking. Like, I am like, what? Hey. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
level up, level up, level up.
Yeah, I can't dance. If you've seen the 15 loads of laundry video, and there's a part where I'm like dancing to Beyonce, yeah, I can't dance to save the life of me. But yeah, I'm just so excited, and I am so thankful, and it's because of you guys, and I thank you so much. Oh my god.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
So what do you guys want to see on the channel? You guys already know that I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. So if you're a mom, you can do it all. Do you guys like the banner, the thumbnails? Because I am also experimenting with that. In the beginning, I did the black and white font with the thumbnail, and now I am trying where I'm experimenting with the pink and black font. So yeah, even though I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am still in my experiment phase, because I am pretty much getting the hang of it and see what works for me. So, and I would love your feedback, and thank you so much again for watching. It means a lot to me. You guys are absolutely amazing. I am reading those comments, definitely replying, and you guys are awesome. And of course I do not want to stop at 1,000. Like, who wants to just hit 1,000 and just be like, okay, cool, I'm done? No, I don't want to just start at 1,000. I want to keep growing. I want to grow, and by doing that is to continue doing what I'm doing, and you guys continue showing me the support, and of course to share it and like it and tell a friend and family, so that way we can grow together, guys. We can definitely grow together, and I want to pretty much continue this whole thing. Like, you know, again, I thank you so much for your support, your continuous support, and until next time, I will definitely see you in the next video. A vlog is coming up next, so don't forget to watch that. So bye.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear